Social anxiety disorder is a chronic and disabling psychiatric condition affecting people all over the world, often associated with comorbidities like depression, suicide ideation, and substance abuse. Depressive and anxiety disorders are among the leading causes of the current global health burden.
There's no doubt these are complex conditions and there's a number of contributing factors. These disorders impact the global health burden because they're all related to underlying chronic disease.
It's really unclear why rates of anxiety and depression are as high as they are. They do seem to have increased in children, adolescents, and young adults. Part of what we may be seeing is more people sort of recognizing that they have problems with depression and anxiety, getting care for it. Doctors are recognizing it more. And so it really is a very, very common problem. So anxiety and depressive disorders are among the biggest contributors to disability worldwide.
The COVID-19 pandemic only further exacerbated determinants of poor mental health, as it strengthened feelings of depression.
Being unable to see friends, family certainly can increase anxiety and depression.
Some people have been affected extremely adversely, healthcare workers, people who lost family members. For some people, the pandemic has actually been an opportunity for them to get mental health treatment.
Efficacy, safety, side effects, and dosing differences between products can enable better choices at the point of care, with data showing the importance of product attributes.
One of the most common, but still very challenging and complex decision that a healthcare provider must make on a daily basis is to choose the most appropriate, individualized, and optimized treatment for their patients. To do that at the point of care, the patient's full medical history, the current medical status, the genetic traits, the effects of other co-administered medications, the availability of proper medication dosage forms, and the understanding of their safety and efficacy information must have considerations.
Clinical trials are a very important component of drug development, and it's really critical that we design them appropriately so the effects that we measure are true effects and not just random effects. It's very important to have a measure that is true effect measure, which is acceptable to the medical community, but also acceptable to regulatory agencies because they are the ones that eventually will review the clinical trial and hopefully approve the drug for use in people.
Now, developments in science and technology are empowering patients and healthcare providers to improve mental and physical well-being.
Development in approved treatments is really important to increase the standard of care that physicians and other healthcare providers can offer. What it does is it offers different options when they're looking at the patients, which empowers both the patient as well as the healthcare provider. And the provider can in fact offer more individualized care for patients. Ultimately, this really helps to decrease the burden of the disease for the patient and provide a better quality of life and can even offer more efficacy for a greater number of patients.
When backed by scientific evidence, novel therapies can provide safe and effective medicines with uncompromised quality.
When we talk to physicians and healthcare practitioners, they always use the term evidence-based medicine to reflect the decisions that they make on certain treatments with certain patients. These decisions that we're making are really built and anchored into uncompromised commitment to quality. And what that means is when we shepherd a drug through a rigorous, well-defined clinical program, we want to make sure that we adhere to the utmost, highest quality to get a safe and efficacious drug that can be approved by FDA.
By leveraging diverse expertise across research, development, manufacturing, and commercialization of medicines, innovators are bringing novel formulations to the medical landscape.
Expertise within the pharmaceutical industry to bring new products to market has increased rapidly in the last few years. We wanted to innovate new medications using legacy molecules for mental health. There had been nothing new in the mental health market for 20 years. So we felt that anxiety was the target therapeutic class for us to bring a new molecule to the market.
Innovative technology can help to improve the safety and efficacy of the new drug candidates with a low aqueous solubility, poor stability, or a low bioavailability. It not only generates the intellectual property, but also gives the competitive edge to the organization in the market.
Improving the bioavailability of products can expand therapeutic benefits while committing to the highest quality standards, like state-of-the-art GMP-certified facilities and competitive product stability.
Improved bioavailability can offer substantial therapeutic benefits by boosting the drug delivery to its target site in the body. This can result into better therapeutic efficacy, reduced side effects, and ability to achieve the same therapeutic outcome with a reduced drug amount.
To improve the health and well-being of its patients, the pharmaceutical industry must engage in advanced pharmaceutical research activities supported by emerging technologies.
So pharmaceuticals are a tool to help you manage mental health so that they can allow you to do the other things that are, of course, needed in these complex diagnoses.
Anxiety and depressive disorders are extremely common, but fortunately, in most cases, they're also very treatable. So we really do encourage people to talk with their physicians, talk with their healthcare providers, and get help if they need it.